this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2018 Ford Explorer XLT. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear and front with some nice window deflectors, heated door mirrors, turn light indicated mirrors with a lovely remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months. And moving to the front, we got front park sensing license plate bracket and the nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got a 12-volt lights, hooks and doodads, hold your gear down, cubby holes for more storage. You get cup holders and storage for the back two passengers, which is pretty nice. And to collapse, you just follow the instructions on there and they will go down pretty easily. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats. You got a grip step to get to the back where you just fold this down and you can move it freely, with rear climate controls, a 12-volt and a carpeted interior. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, powered mirrors, got your lights, tow and haul mode, hood, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 104,945 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle for your left-hand screen, toggle for your right-hand screen, playback, play forward, phone, voice, mute, volume, cruise control, and toggle for your screen. Where you can go for your display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, and other settings. On your right, you can go for your entertainment, compass, and phone settings. Here we got our gear select with your drive modes, hill, cup holders, you got your sink, storage below with a USB, dual climate up front with heated front seats. You even get some storage in your glove compartment. You got your media, tune, volume, playback, play forward, pause and play, drive sensing, hazards, storage below. Above me we get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we have our audio, compass and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your climate controls up here or down there, whatever you really prefer. Phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here as well. Settings such as Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, General, 911 Assist, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE63127A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.